You can place a call in the following ways. Lift the handset or use the speakerphone to dial directly. You can also firstly pre-input the number you want to call, then lift the handset. Additionally, you can use the Send Soft key, the OK key, the Pound key, or the speaker key to send the call out. Whilst talking, you can use the handset, speakerphone key, or headphone key to switch the talking mode. When there is an incoming call, you can answer it in the following ways. There is the option to answer using the handset, the speakerphone, or the headset. You can also press the Silent Soft key to ignore the incoming call, or press the Reject Soft key or the X key to reject it.